Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Hazee, and I am back with another video. This is going to be a Grunge Glam look, so let's just get right into it. Hey beauties, I'm back. Like, it's been a while and I'm back with a makeup look. I know you're shocked because I'm definitely shocked. It's been a long time, and this is going to be a Grunge Glam look. So far I already cleaned my face off from all the oil and dirt on it, and now I'm just going to moisturize it with my Elf Hydrating Moisturizer. I love this product. It is super affordable and it gets the job done. Like, what? I have extremely dry skin, so just having something that's so lightweight yet moisturizing, amazing. Okay, highly recommend. I'm also going in with my eyebrows right now, and this is a Elf cream liner that I use on my eyebrows. If you guys have been subscribed to me, you already know about this product. It's an OG on this channel, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, of course. And just to let you know, I love Elf. Okay, if you're new to the channel, just know I love Elf and Maybelline. So I'm actually going in and I'm doing my eyebrows with that, and I am using an angled brush to actually do my brows. And you guys, this glam grunge look, or Grunge Glam look, is inspired by ElimMUA on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Like, her looks are completely stunning. Okay, stunning. So of course I had to recreate this, and when I tell you, this is my ideal look, like ideal. Okay, so you guys will be seeing more of these looks on my channel. And right now what I'm doing is just cleaning up my brows with some concealer. Well, this is the Flawless Creator Drops from Dermablend, and I absolutely love this, and it is in the shade 48N, so it is definitely lighter than my skin tone, but it does the work. It's very lightweight, it's blendable, and it's also buildable as well if you need something that's full coverage. So I am going in with that foundation slash concealer with my Morphe M22 brush, and I love this brush. Okay, I use this to clean up my eyebrows always, and to prime my lids with that same foundation from Dermablend. And when I tell you, I love that formula. Okay, it's chef kiss. Okay, it's popping. Normally I would use my NARS Radiant Concealer, and that I would use to conceal or prime my lids. So after I blend everything out with a beauty blender, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill OG Morphe palette. Okay, this is the original Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm using this brush from Shop Miss A. It's from the AOA Studio collection, and it is the E121 brush. I actually love this brush. I'm going to be using it multiple times in this video because it's just one of my favorite brushes. After I do go in with Chip, I then go in with Hunts, I believe that's the name of the shade, and we're gonna blend that out in the crease. Of course, I was not actually feeling this because I wanted the eye to be more rounded than an angled look, so I ended up just going straight in, and I start doing my foundation. You guys are actually gonna see that, and I'm gonna prime my face first, of course, because you need to prep your canvas always. And in order to do so, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer. This Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer, and I put too much, so your girl is looking like a tin man. Okay, I'm looking crazy. So if you guys are going to be using this product, definitely use a little bit. I used a lot by accident. So we're gonna put this on, and then of course we're gonna go right into a new holy grail for me. This is the Elf Poreless Putty, I believe that's the name of it. It'll be in the description box. But this product right here, if you have smile lines, any fine wrinkles or anything like myself, I don't have wrinkles, but I have fine lines because I laugh a lot. Y'all, this right here stopped all my creasing. Okay, I should have put some under my eyes, huh? Next time I'll do so. So I am going in with my Maybelline Superstay Activewear Foundation. I love this foundation. It is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. The girl's Toffee Caramel, y'all. And this foundation is a matte finish, which is why I did use that dewy prep underneath. And this foundation is supposed to last for 30 hours. I low-key believe that. I wouldn't try it, but I low-key believe that. So you're going to blend that in with a beauty blender or any sponge, a brush, or whatever. And just make sure everything is seamless and blended to perfection. So in this video, you guys are going to see me go back and forth from my face to my eyes, just trying to make sure that everything looks proper. So now that we have our base on, which is the foundation, I'm going in with a crease shade. Honestly, y'all, I don't remember what color that was. I really don't remember what shade that was. I want to say it's Pookie. I don't know what the hell that name is. And then I actually ended up going in with Mocha. No, wait. The way the names on this palette is written, y'all, I cannot even tell y'all what's the name of each color because it's written backwards. So, sorry about that, but you guys could see the colors that's there, and you could use something that's definitely similar. So, I am also going to be using my Juvia's palette, which is the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the black from that. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I'm going to be using the black from that and then blending that out, as this black will be as a liner, since we're not going to be using any liquid eyeliner, and then just buff that out to create a smoky look. Y'all, I love it so far. Like, using that darker shade on my lid definitely made a complete difference. So now we're going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to place this under my eye. And you guys see that when I do my concealer, I like to do it in a rounded shape because my face is round. So if I do anything sharp on it, like a lot of people like to go underneath and give it a sharp line underneath their eyeshadow. I can't do that because it will make my face look even more round. So I try to stay away from any sharp angles on my face. I like to keep everything soft and rounded. And we're just going to blend that away. Also, y'all, let me know if you guys like voiceovers or not. I just be doing it because I feel like y'all don't just want to be watching something. Y'all probably want to hear something. I don't know. So definitely just let me know if you guys want to hear voiceovers, or if you guys want me to actually do a talk through while I'm doing the makeup, or if you just want me to fast forward through the whole thing while playing music, because I could do either of those. I just do the voiceover because it's easier for me to speed up the whole process of the video. And then on top of that, I don't know, I feel like y'all want to know what I'm doing and why I'm doing what I'm doing. I don't know. So I'm going in back with that, with actually a darker shade, and we're going to put this on our outer corner and blend that in. And y'all, when I tell you I love this look already and it's not even finished, baby, I'm telling y'all gonna be seeing more looks like this on my channel. But of course, I'm also going to incorporate more color. I know that I stick to very natural looks, very like brownie, like what you call these shades, like neutral tones, kind of earthy tones. There you go. So now we're going in. I'm going to try and guess. I think this shade is called, y'all, Butter. I'm going with Butter, and then I'm going in with Pooter. These names, y'all, Jaclyn Hill got me messed up. I think, yeah. So we went in with Butter. Now it's Pooter. And I'm going to put Pooter on my lid. And this actually just, it makes a difference because you could either wear this look matte, or you could add a little bit of shimmer on there just to add that Grunge Glam feel, okay? So now I'm actually going to do underneath my eyes. I'm just only going to be using the darker shades, and then we're going to blend that out. The brush I'm using is from Urban Decay. So I'm actually going in with my M433 brush, and I'm using that to blend and blur all the harsh lines that's around my eye. And now I'm actually going in with my M441 brush from Morphe, and we're just going to be adding the shade Creamsicle. And just, ooh, that's not called Creamsicle, I'm lying, it's called Beam. And it was literally beaming, okay, because I had put too much. It's very pigmented. So it's time for bronzer slash contour. You guys cannot see it, but I'm using a very light color because I did not want anything too harsh. And we're just gonna blend that out. And when y'all see this final look, okay, it then came together. Okay, it came together. So I'm not going to speak for the rest of the video, even though the video is almost over. So for lips, I am using a brown liquid lipstick, and that is from Plus Life Beauty, I believe. I'll have them linked down below. And then I will be going in with my Kylie lipstick, and that's going to be in the shade Nova, which is a matte lipstick. And for that, I will be topping that off with the Kylie lip plumper in the color On Neutral. Okay, so that's going to be the final look. I'm also going to add some lashes and finish off the look with some Morphe setting spray. So that's the completed look, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.